This 2009 recruitment process was going on. In all the three other districts, appointments have been given. In the last one was North 24 Parganas, pursuant to court's judgment, this was given. And that judgment was relied on here by the division bench. and
Have you prepared the compliance report?
My lord, according to I have received the instruction today morning. My lord, they are asking 7 weeks time, 6 weeks time, my lord.
Let them go to jail. 6 weeks time cannot be given. When was the order passed?
Right. That is not your lordship.
Fortnight's time was sought for.
The initial judgment that was passed in November last year. And the order directed that within 2 weeks it be complied.
Yes, because
Then-
that is the recording I can see in the order.
Well,
Last date.
Your lordship, kindly go through the, my lord, go through the instruction, my lord. And because
And
my lord,
send them to jail. What else to do? Let us see.
today morning, my lord, I have received it.
They are playing not only with the candidate but also with the court. Repeatedly they say within 2 weeks we do it.
Has the order passed by this court appealed against? No, no. Then
No,
Division bench.
other area they have complied with, only with regard to this area.
I mean, this area only 1403 posts are left.
If you
South 24 Parganas.
Yes, my lord.
Then
1,403 vacancies required, my lord.
yes.
Well, accordingly, my lord, we have taken steps, my lord. Due to election, some problem that has been reflected in the instruction. I have nothing to say, my lord, more than that.
this was a 2009 recruitment process.
Yes.
The candidates,
Your clients have sought for 6 weeks time. 6 weeks is too much for them, right? The other districts you have complied with and only with one district you are delaying in the matter. We'll post the matter on the 10th of August. Let the compliance report be filed. Heard submissions made on behalf of both the parties. Stuff. An instruction has been submitted by the Principal Secretary, School Education Department, and the Additional Chief Secretary, Finance Department, signed on 13th July 2023, seeking 6 weeks' time for complying the direction passed by the court. Stop. It has been submitted that there has been delay in processing the matter in view of the Panchayat general elections. Stop. Next. A peremptory chance is given to the contemners to comply the direction passed by the court. Stop. Let the matter appear in the list on 10th August 2023. An affidavit of compliance shall positively be filed on the adjourned date. it is made clear that no further extension of time will be granted. Stop. In the event, the affidavit of compliance is not made ready by the adjourned date, comma, the alleged contemner. Who is the alleged contemner?
That is the principal
Chairman.
Manish Jain and the Manoj Pant, the additional, additional,
Give the names and the designations, these persons.
that has been added, last occasion, Manoj Pant,
Manish Jain.
Yeah.
Principal Secretary.
The affidavit of compliance is not made ready by the adjourned date, comma, the alleged contemner. Who is the alleged contemner?
that is the principal
Chairman.
Manish Jain and the Manoj Pant, the additional, additional,
Give the names and the designations, these persons.
that has been added, last occasion, Manoj Pant,
Manish Jain.
Yeah.
Principal Secretary.
Finance.
137. Yes, page.
Yeah,
Manoj
just-
Pant. Finance.
Numbers. Which number will they be?
Three,
3 and 4.
3, 1 and 4.
3, 1 and 4 shall remain personally present in court.
But I'm happy with containment number 1. And on the last occasion, we have already completed our compliance. Whereupon it is okay.
Is it 3 and 4, Manish Jain and Manoj Pant.
Yeah.
Let them be personally present in court on the next date. If the order is not complied, if it is complied, then it is very good.
and we will file the affidavit.
Affidavit of compliance. So you please instruct your clients because the orders may not be palatable ones.
Certainly, the instruction you kept on the record.
Yes, certainly. Instructions filed in court to be registered with the records. Anything else? It's
Yeah.
all right.
My learned juniors were trying to impress upon me that I should ask, pray for your lordships, that instead of 4 weeks, let it be 3 weeks. I do not know, right?
No, we are not giving 4 weeks. Today is the 14th, it's 3 weeks type of,
3 weeks.
yes.
Almost
Today we have
1,
14.
2, yes, 14th, and we are fixing it on the 10th. So not even 4 weeks, 1 day less than 4 weeks.
At time 10. At, on 14th, on 10th at,
At, of the list, either it will be at either 3 or 3:15.
that is a very tricky time.
Why?
So many times we find lot at 3 or at 3:30.
No, not 3:30. That is the reason we are keeping it either at 3 or 3:15. Prior to the court rises, hopefully 3:30, not before that.
That is not sure.
And if it is from 10:30 to, then it's different.
Shukrobar হবে।
না।
Final was starting to all be acted personal presence of
না না কাউকে না, না না কমপ্লেন্স হলে পরে আর কাউকে না।
আপনি আজকে করলেন
না না
What?
অনেক
You are not Friday. Which Friday? We are
on
posting
Friday is good.
Not Friday.
I'm
grateful, Mohit.
Thursday.